He obviously has a powerful role to play in this moment, too, even as he recovers and as everyone is wishing him a full and quick recovery.
All political leaders have an important role to play. On the night that Abraham Lincoln was shot, he wore a jacket, and inscribed in that jacket was the phrase, "One country, one destiny." And never has that been more true than this morning. We are one country with one destiny. And the notion that we talk about how divided we've been, we have been very divided, and the rhetoric has been hot. But we can go in one of two directions now as a country. We can either double down on that division, increase the rhetoric, increase the heat, make it more challenging for us to have a real discussion, as Senator Sanders said, about the issues. Or we can move in a direction where we come together and decide we actually want to solve some problems. And I think that leaders, whether it's President Biden, former President Trump, certainly everybody you've had on your show today has modeled the right kind of tone we need to take in our politics, a tone of civility and a tone that says let's come together to address these issues. And I hope that's where we go.